Hi, I'm Jamie Rice, designer of women's contemporary brand Tuck. Today I'm going to show you how to make your clothes look cool. Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a hip macrame style scarf. Here I took 3 pieces of fabric. I got a long piece and I cut it into 3 vertical lengths. And I also got 3 different types of chains, 3 different colors. Gold chain, black chain, and a gunmetal color chained. And I attached each chain to each piece of the fabric at the top, and I hand stitched it with needle and thread. And then, as you can see, I tied a knot at the end and I slowly braided it, exposing all the chains. And here I'm going to finish it at the end. And you just braid it like this, keeping all the trim with the fabric. And then you can finish it off. I would recommend buying the chain longer than the fabric, keeping it longer so that way you can tie it at the end. And you can do different sizes. You can cut a wide scarf, you can do a skinny scarf, different fabrics, different colors. Here we used a blush color, but it'll also look very hip and cool in black or gray. Now that we secured the end, you can just sort of play with it and drape it around your shoulder. You can even make it longer and drape it twice. Here we just have it draped once, and there you have it, a cool hip macrame style scarf. Once again, I'm Jamie Rice, designer of women's contemporary brand Tuck. You can check us out at facebook.com/tuckbrand, and also please go to our website tuckbrand.com. Thanks again for watching.